Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to review and swatch all my Inside Cosmetics No Smudge lip colors. There are 24 shades and I have 7 here with me. These are some most amazing moussey velvety textured lipsticks. This is how the outer packaging looks like. It's very trendy. It has got a soft matte finish and ombre sort of color, and you have all the details written out here and at the back, and these retail for rupees 270 rupees only, and you can even get it on more discounts on Nykaa. And this is how the outer packaging looks like. It looks a little bit like the Fenty Beauty ones. It has got a very cool black ombre type of glass packaging. The most amazing thing I like about these lipsticks is the texture, y'all. The texture is such a moussey, velvety, blurry lipstick, yet it's non-transferable. It does transfer maybe a tad bit, but after some time it just settles into a beautiful matte finish. And here are all the 7 colors. So the first one is called Jamaica, and this is your perfect mid-tone peachy undertone wala nude. This will suit from fair to medium to dusky skin tone so well. I absolutely love this color. It doesn't wash me out, yet it gives me the most beautiful peachy undertone wala nude. This is like my everyday nudie shade, and it looks so good even without makeup. And you can see how blurring and full my lips looks. Like if you have cracked lips, this lipstick is just going to make it like look very blurry, and it's just going to stay put, and it looks so beautiful. Next one is called Palawan Island, and this, as you can see, is a little deeper than the previous one, and this ka undertone is little yellowish, little cool tone, and it's such a unique brown. Now this again will suit from fair to medium to dusky skin tones very well. Again, very good everyday nude. If you're looking for a good cool tone brown nude, which is very trendy these days, just go for this shade, Palawan Island, and you won't be disappointed. You can see how beautiful that it looks. Moving on to some pinks. This is called Costa Rica, and it's a beautiful pink with rosy undertones. Now if you're not a pink lover, you can still pull this off. Like, I don't like pinks, but I love this color on me. It just brightens my face. It has got a warm undertone. It's not too much, yet it's classy. I can wear it like to office, to college, to whatever. It's a beautiful pink color. If you're afraid of pinks, just go for this kind of rosy undertone. This is the shade Costa Rica. Definitely try it out. Next is the shade Bali. Now this is my personal favorite shade. If you have to pick a one shade, then definitely pick this one up. This is such a unique mauvey undertone, deeper pink. Like these kind of shades suits everybody from fair to medium to dusky to darker, deeper skin tones. Everybody can rock this. This is such a unique pinky mauvey shade, very trendy, looks amazing without makeup, with makeup, Indian outfits. It looks so good on a white dress. I have got so many compliments on this one. So if you have to pick up one shade, guys, just go for Bali. Next shade is called Dominican Republic. Now this is a little bit similar to Bali, except that this leans a little more reddish and it has got a little bit more of the hint of more pink and less of that purple that Bali has. But overall I love this one too, and this again will suit everybody, like deeper, duskier. Can you guys see it has got that red undertone and a little less mauve? So if you want more in the maroonish family but not very red or in your face maroon, then you can go for this one. Yet another very trendy shade with little maroonish undertone, less of the pink and mauve. Overall very unique. I have the shade Maldives. Now this is your true maroon shade, very deep, very dark red. If that's what you like, you can go for this one. These lipsticks don't smudge, so if you're looking for a good deep reddish maroon that does not smudge or budge and yet it looks so good on you, then definitely you're gonna go for this shade called Maldives. And it's very easy to apply these lipsticks, okay? It is not like you don't need a lip liner of any sort. You can easily line your lips with these because the applicator is as such. But look at that shade, it looks so good, and after it dries it is absolutely non-transferable. And again, this will suit across skin tones and looks very good with Indian outfits or even Western outfits without makeup, everything. So if you're looking for a maroon shade, definitely go and try out Maldives. Lastly, I have the shade Barbados, and this is your true red, which has that blue undertone. This brightens up my face like nobody's business. I'm not even kidding you guys. If you're looking for a good true red that has got that bluish undertone that suits Indian skin tone so well. By the way, this is the natural light. Now natural light में ज़्यादा bright लगता है और मेरे studio lights में थोड़ा सा deep लगता है, but this I have just put two clips so that you guys can understand this is the studio lights. And otherwise, even like naturally also just is that true blue tone reddish shade that looks like a little bit like that MAC's Ruby Woo. Just for reference, this is the shade Barbados. those were all the shades. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, definitely don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. There are more lipstick swatch videos that are coming up very soon, so definitely hit the notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.